Hi children, there are different types of vessels in our house. So today we are going to use different vessels and going to create a Ganesha out of it. To make this vessel Ganesha, children, we need 2 glasses, 2 bowls, 1 medium size plate, 1 quite small size plate. It is a ziplocker that I am using. Then 4 spoons and 1 fork. We are going to use this medium size plate as a stomach. Then this quite small size plate I am keeping like this. It is a face of the Ganesha. Okay. Then 2 same size bowls I am keeping here as a ears of the Ganesha. And then children, we will keep this spoon as a trunk of Ganesha, means sound of Ganesha. Then we will keep like this 2 spoons. Children, you can change the position also as per your convenience. Leg of the Ganesha and here another glass. Okay children. Okay. Now we are going to keep it as a prasad hand and keep it as a Ashirvad hand. So it is Ashirvad hand which I kept under this glass, and it is prasad hand that I insert in this plate. Okay. This is a zip locker pin which I am going to use as a mouse. Okay. Children, I made some things with the help of paper. It is a tilak of Ganesha. We can press it properly over here. Then I made 2 eyes of paper. So we can keep it like this. Okay. And then I made a mukut of Ganesha. That I'm going to keep it over here. So if you want, you can stick a little Fevicol also on it. Okay children, if you are having at home Janavar, you can keep it over here. Otherwise I made a golden Janavar. And children, I took like this paper and I gave a fan fold to it. I'm going to keep this as a trunk over here. Children, see, we have created Ganesha with the help of vessels. For this another vessel Ganesha, I am taking 2 pans, and we all are having such a type of spoons at home, 2 katoris or bowls, 1 small bowl, 1 small bowl, 1 cup I am having. If you are not having cup, you can use 2 bowls. And it is quite different type of batata vada plate. Yes. And 1 water pot. We are saying it tambya. Okay. Now children, I am going to arrange this. First, see this, I am going to keep it ulta as a stomach. Okay. But I am going to hide this part. It is the stomach of the Ganesha. And it is a face of the Ganesha. Okay, so here I am going to keep 2 equal bowls like this, ears of the Ganesha. Or children, if you want, you can keep like this also, so you can paint it. Okay, like this I am keeping. Okay, it is, we are going to show as a Ashirvad hand and it is a Prasad hand. Okay children. Okay, so I insert this inside Prasad hand and it is Ashirvad hand I am keeping like this, and it is a different type of plate. Children, if you are not having such a type of plate, you can use glass or like this another tambya also. Okay. So I am showing as a folded legs. This is a foot which I am inserting inside. So children, and it is another bowl I am keeping here. Okay. After arrangement of Ganesha, children, I am using two dupattas and some decorative papers to decorate this Ganesha. Okay. So first we are going to give that Shela effect and that Feta effect to this Ganesha. For that I am using this yellow color dupatta. I am going to keep it here as a Shela, and that same color we are going to tie up like this Feta. Okay children. See, after tying this Feta, what I am going to do, to keep here and giving effect of shell. So after completing this shela, now we are going to use this dupatta as a dhoti. So for dhoti, what we are going to do, wrap this dhoti here, then keep it properly. And then we are going to tie here. Okay. So only I rotate this to this tambia and to this plate, and then I am going to keep this as a legs. Wow. Now children, with the help of all these decorative papers, first I cut this eyes. Okay. So we are going to keep eyes here like this. Then this tilak. Then I cut this two semicircles as ears. Two golden small circles. Children, I took this paper and then I stick inside that golden strip, and then I did the fan fold like this. Okay, so it will give us a trunk effect of the Ganesha. Children, it is exactly giving Ganesha effect. But still, if you want to show hand, I cut orange color paper because it is looking nice over here. And then if you want to show, you can show one hand like this. And I'm going to keep Laddu, favorite of Ganesha, over here. Yes. And on this paper, I'm going to keep my laptop mouse. Okay children. So our mouse is also ready. So all things are available at our home, and we can make a fantastic Ganeshas with the help of all these new ideas.